Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix the update required to play the EAFC mobile. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is of course to have a VPN. So to do that, you will just have to go to your Play Store, okay, and then search for Tunnel Bear. This is the VPN that I am using and it is very useful. You just have to download this one. And then if I try to search for FIFA 24, I cannot find it in Play Store because I did not connect my VPN to the country that the application is available. So I just have to go to my VPN and then I'll just connect this connection to Malaysia. Okay, so my current location is Philippines, so I will just have to connect it to Malaysia, and then I will just have to go back to Play Store again and then try to search for FIFA 24. Okay, so let's try searching for FIFA 24. So as you can see, we can now see the FIFA 24 application. So if you did not updated your FIFA 24 application, you will see an update option here. So, but since I already updated mine, so I don't have any problem with that. So make sure that you have downloaded all of the requirements so that you could be able to play the game smoothly. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.